So we now have the tickers. What we now need is we need to tell Yahoo we want the price data of these things. All right. Now, what do we need? We need a couple of packages. Import datetime as DT. We import pandas as PD, and we import pandas data reader, a wonderful package, as web. Awesome. And now we want to get all the stock price data that Yahoo Finance offers for these tickers. So let's go. We write a function which we call get Yahoo data, and we give in our tickers, ES50. All right. So, okay. So, first thing we need our starting point. T0 will be DT is our daytime. So we need the date time format, and we start January 1st, 2000. And our T can be just the T from yesterday. But let's be a little bit lazy. Let's take 31st of December 2020, right? So next thing we need is we have to see what Yahoo offers us. So we want to have some Yahoo data, and we take our web pandas data reader, web.data reader, and we read in the tickers ES50, which are the input to the function. That's known. We want it goes through Yahoo. Here's our T0, here's our T. So go for it. Whatever comes out of it, we want to convert that into a pandas data frame. pd.data frame fyh, nice. And now we also want to convert that into a CSV file. So to CSV, in case you want to load that for some other application, Yahoo data, let's call it November 2020 CSV. Nice. And now return fyh. All right. No obvious typo, just a warning which I safely ignore. All right. In next video, we are going to check out that function.